If you're new to the color page in DaVinci Resolve, this is the very best way to start learning color grading and making your videos look awesome. We built this course from the ground up for beginners, people who have never touched the color page before. So it's designed to take you from somebody who has no idea how to color grade to someone who can confidently open up a project and fix exposure and match your shots together and come up with creative looks and tweak little parts of each shot. And you'll really be able to harness all the cool stuff that you can do in the color page. We break the entire process down into super easy steps. So there's no more kind of just fumbling around with the tools and kind of guessing and hoping your image looks right. You're not only going to know what buttons to push and controls to tweak, but why you're doing it and why it matters. We start with the basics. What is exposure? What is contrast? What is saturation? And how do they affect the feeling of your video? We go over how to fix problems and get creative on individual shots, as well as how to match shots together, color grade them as a group, and how to think about the workflow of color grading an entire project. This is the thing that a lot of color grading tutorials miss, is you can learn how to tweak an image, but that's really only part of it. I want you to be able to take any video and color grade it and feel sure of yourself. And so we cover everything that you need to know to get to that point. We have fun challenges and real projects that you can jump into and try out what you're learning and actually put the rubber to the road. We learn about color wheels and curves, selecting certain colors, masking things, using different nodes, color management and motion tracking, all these little parts that help you make the very best looking videos ever. We dive into all the important panels that you need to know in the color page. And at the end, we color grade a real documentary that has a variety of different cameras and different lighting scenarios, different problems to fix and different challenges to overcome. And we go over this whole project and we match everything so that it all feels like one story. We also have a couple of bonuses that we're throwing in there. The 10-minute color grade, which is like a case study on how well this workflow that we teach within this course works. And we look at color grading an entire short film in less than 10 minutes. There's also the color grading notebook, which is a recorded presentation where I just go through the most important parts of color grading, kind of the stuff that you really need to know, which is great for a review or great for an intro. And that can really just help you cement some of that knowledge. Basically, we just put everything that we have into this course to make the very, very best resource to learn color grading as a beginner. And after teaching millions of people DaVinci Resolve over the years, I know this method works. I've seen our students go from having no clue how to color grade something to making beautiful color grades that they can be proud of. If you sign up now, you get instant access. And if you don't love the course, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. But if you've been eyeing the color page, you really need to jump into this. This is so exciting because once you learn the stuff that we teach in this course, every video you make from now on will be better. And I love that. The course is called Color 101, Introduction to Color Grading in DaVinci Resolve. It's available now. All you have to do is click that link down below. And yeah, we'll get in there and we'll have some fun together. I'm so excited to jump in and learn some color. I love this stuff, man. And I'm excited for you to love it too. It's gonna be good. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.